This is the story of a young boy with a small dream. His name is Alex. Alex wanted to start a small business, nothing big. Just something honest. But his family did not trust him. They said, "Business is not for people like us. Get a job instead." His relatives laughed, his friends made jokes. No money, no experience, no future. Every word hurt. Alex stayed quiet, but inside, he was breaking. Alex had no savings, no support, no one believed in him. At night, he lay awake, asking himself, "Am I really that useless?" He saw his parents worried about money, he wanted to help, but he felt powerless. Sometimes he felt like giving up, sometimes he cried alone. But deep inside, there was one thing he refused to lose: hope. Alex noticed something simple: people were buying custom t-shirts online. So he decided to try. He started a custom t-shirt business. He had an old phone, free design apps and social media. He learned everything from free videos. He designed shirts late at night, he posted them on Instagram. His first order came, just one t-shirt. Alex was excited, but when he told his family, they laughed again. One order. That's not a business. Alex felt small. One day, Alex had no money left. He sold his phone to buy printing material. It was painful. That phone was his only tool, but Alex borrowed another old phone and kept going. He replied to customers, he packed orders by himself, he delivered them by hand. Slowly, things changed, more orders came, people left good reviews, trust started growing. Alex stopped talking, he focused on work. Months passed, Alex's small page became popular, orders came every day. One day, Alex gave money to his parents for household expenses. No one laughed that day. He rented a small workspace, bought better equipment, hired one helper. The same people who mocked him now asked for advice. Alex was no longer a dreamer, he was a businessman. From zero, he became a hero. This story is not just about business, it is about belief. People will doubt you, they will laugh, they will ignore you, until you succeed, so start small, start scared, but start. Because today's joke can become tomorrow's success story.